So it's all pretty low risk for the computer, right?
You can see like what steps you want, what steps you don't want. If you just want to dust out, then we do dust out. If you just want putting an extra thermal pad on there, then we do just do that.
This one seems like the only one that might be a little risky, right?
This one is certainly more impactful, but if you just want to go for just getting the dust out and just putting an extra thermal pad, maybe on the drive or maybe on the top thing, then we don't even need to disassemble anything. So obviously way less intrusive. Let's say.
Did you put thermal paste on yours?
I did do it on my 2015, also on another 2015, also on another 2013 as well.
Okay, and that helps performance a lot.
The full thermal pads did on the 2015 did 3% on Geekbench.
Yeah.
I did that one 2 weeks ago, and also less fan use, which is also interesting.
Yeah, the only other thing with that MacBook was maybe like 4 years ago, I bought like a off-brand charger off Amazon, and I was in Mexico, and it was like the lockers they'll have at not these kind, but like the smaller ones that also sometimes they had a charging port inside it. So I put the off-brand charger in it, connected, and hooked it up to my computer just like this, and just left it closed in the locker. And then I came back like 30 minutes later, and it was like burning smell, and I was like, oh shit. And I unplugged it, and I was convinced, and it like smelled that that like plasticky kind of burning kind of smell. It kind of smelled like that, like the computer itself. So I was convinced like the battery was just fried. I guess I still could bring it in, even though it's been a while since I bought it. I could still bring it in and like have them check on it, and they said the battery was fine and everything. So I guess it was mostly the charger, and then maybe the smell just kind of wore off on it.
I also have good experiences with the 2015 internally booted with Windows, which allows to undercut the price points of Parallels, which is a yearly €70 at the very least. For example, when I needed to use a universal ID reader in Asia to validate my identity for a phone operator of Europe, and it only worked on my Windows booted Mac 2015, and neither on my Mac booted 2015, and neither on my M1 Max. Feel free to subscribe for more electronics and IT projects.
You were talking about buying secondhand MacBooks. Is getting refurbished ones a good idea, or is it?
The 2015 MacBook 2019 16-inch could for quite some already be able to fulfill your functional requirements of a laptop, therefore possibly saving you the need to spend $1,000 on a new computer. This especially makes sense if you need an Intel type of Mac for Windows compatibility, and we can remove your need for Parallels, which is already a $70, so actually pretty much the price of this 2017 13-inch. If you need storage possibility of 2015 15-inch, do terabyte €90 upgrade, certainly that's interesting, or the desire to just have a big screen MacBook for a low price of $200 for a 2015 Mac spec and $350 for 2019. And also for those which have a computer on the side while already having an employer laptop. The M series MacBooks are really energy efficient and have way less fan use and are known for their still great performance, and our ability to snag these cheaply can be a wonderful way to fulfill your laptop needs. Welcome to my living in Köln.